The crypto bull is coming. Will you ride it or miss it? Markets go up and down, but you win when you understand both. Wealth begins with mindset. Learn to think like an investor. You don't have to figure it all out alone. Find your tribe. Grow together. Crypto can feel like a storm of symbols and buzzwords. We've been there too. Your digital wallet can become your wealth hub, but only if it's done right. Smart investing isn't magic. It's method plus mindset. This is what confidence feels like. Tangible, solid, yours. The key to building smart wealth? Don't put it all in one bucket. It's not just about money. It's about freedom, fun, and fulfillment. Education is your secret weapon. Learn it, apply it, profit from it. You've seen the signs. Now choose the road. Your wealth story begins today.